I don't think that the landlord really, I think it's more difficulties surrounding the environmental risk.
Right.
We've seen it completely tank the valuations of massive plazas.
Well, that's dry cleaners. To be honest, it's not laundromats. Dry cleaners have the perk chemical.
Okay.
I don't touch them. I don't go near them. Don't misunderstand. It's not laundromats. And sometimes they have a sign that says that says dry cleaning, but it's not. It's just drop off.
Hello?
Nolan.
Yep.
Danny, the laundry guy, calling you back. Wondering if you're able to find
anything. Can you hear me
out. There? Yep.
Nothing on 155. They don't have any. I don't think that the landlord, once they are done there, I don't think that it's a use that they want, was the impression that I got. Any further in there?
Sure. Yeah.
Now, there may be some mitigants in place to that, depending. You'd be a little bit more familiar with the industry and kind of the stigmas that surround and what you can do to maybe give them necessary reassurances.
Right.
But
no,
I don't even know when the opportunity would arise.
Into or out of a laundromat, but at the end of the day, they've had poor experience because these people are taking the money, and more importantly, they bought the business. And look what I'm doing. I'm not looking to buy the place. I'm relying on proper timing. It's very sad, certainly, but when I look at this place, they've painted the walls, they put in a new drop ceiling and tile on the floor, but they left the old machines, and that's all the customer cares about. That's how you profit. No one has injected any cash into this place other than window dressing, literally, in a very long time. So, if that changes, you've got my information. We're normally the ones that notice first when they go seriously sideways. Again, it's very sad. These folks buy these places.
I don't think that the landlord really, I think it's more difficulties surrounding the environmental risk.
Right.
We've seen it completely tank the valuations of massive plazas.
Come here, I want to tell you something.
What?
Well, that's dry cleaners, to be honest. It's not laundromats. Dry cleaners have the perk chemical.
Okay.
I don't touch them. I don't go near them. Don't misunderstand. It's not laundromats. And sometimes they have a sign that says that says dry cleaning, but it's not. It's just drop off.
Yeah.
So we put it, but it's a good concern.
Perfectly understandable.
Trust me, this is no different than your residence. There's just more of it. There's more machines.
Yeah. No, that's good to know.
Yeah.
Because that would be the non-starter for them.
Yeah, good. Well, I'm happy to talk to them about it. I've got 36 locations, looking for 37. Keep us in the loop. You've got my email. And again, I'm not excited jumping up and down telling somebody, look at us and look at what we do and how we do it differently. But they're, God forbid they sell it.
More just an educational process, right? We're not as familiar with the industry as yourself. So if you are able to shed the light on where our misconceptions are, that's helpful.
A good teacher. He really seems to care.
Yeah, no, I'd love that. I mean, even now, dry cleaners, different story. I've seen exactly what you say. They used to take the perk filters out, set them in the sun, and the perk chemical goes into the ground, and now you're in a lot of trouble.
Is that what did it?
Yeah, exactly.
Like, we got case studies where we're talking tens of millions of dollars for your 1,000 square foot dry cleaner.
Yeah.
There was one that was up there.
Yeah. Is that yours?
Don't know what the story was, but not mine. But I do remember it was on the market for a little bit. I'm not sure what happened there, but there might be an opportunity there.
Good. I got you. Yeah, perfect. I appreciate that. I'm sure that's on my radar. I'm pretty sure I've probably seen it.
Yeah.
We'll go.
Yeah, you seem like you're on the ball, so.
It depends on the day.
I'll figure out. I do have your number.
Good.
So you'll be the first one to know if there is an opportunity available, particularly at Clark or if something else comes across my desk.
Appreciate it, Nolan. Ciao. Bye-bye.
Okay, take care. Bye.
What a lovely gentleman.
I'm satisfied.
You got that address?
Yeah, I got that address. That's actually a mat that the building is for sale, and she's trying to sell the business as well. It's kind of a shit location. Wood floors. But
wood floors, meaning there's a basement.
Yeah.
Well, go have a look.
And there's a convenience store attached, and
it doesn't matter if she's trying to sell the building or not.
Okay, go with it.
You know, it's up to you.
Yeah.
It would be worth a look. It's on his radar after all.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.